Just don't be surprised when screams and applauses were much louder as the carrier rocket landed back on Earth than it blasted off for space on Monday. It's said that the difficulty amounts to launching a pencil to the Empire State Building and then getting it back upright on Earth. SpaceX has thus become the world's second only commercial launcher alongside Blue Origin to have landed upright a launched rocket on firm ground near its launch pad. Its rival Blue Origin last month announced the successful test flight of its own reusable rocket. That suborbital flight carried test capsules. This time, it's a useful mission. SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket carried 11 satellites to low Earth orbit. Landing a launched rocket is a critical step toward low-cost reusable booster. The development of a reusable rocket is considered key in drastically lowering the cost of spaceflight after the retirement of the U.S. Space Shuttle fleet.